Good morning, students. Today we will be continuing with our maths textbook. In the last class we have completed till page number 20. Today we will starting with page number 21. Now see this. We have already done this number before, number in between and number after. Now, what is the number before? That is the number that comes before the number. What number is given over here? 23. What comes before 23? 22. Now, students, I am writing with the help of this brush. So, it might not be that clear, but you can get an idea of what I am trying to explain. Okay. And after that, I'll also send you the photo from my textbook. But this part you will be doing as homework. I'll just explain you how you have to do. Then this we have done before. So you have to practice it by yourself. Now see, number in between. That is what number comes between these two numbers. 35 and 37. What number comes between these two numbers? 36. So we will write 36 over here. Then number after, that is what number will come after this number? What number will come after 39? 40. So you have to write like this. You have already done this. So number before, number in between and number after. This part you will do as homework. I will also send you the photo from my textbook so that you can understand it clearly from that PDF. This you just see for the explanation part. Okay. And now let us start with the next topic. See, this is cross out the numbers that are not in order. Then find the word that the rest of the letters make. One has been done for you. Write the complete sentence in the last line. See, in this what we have to do? We have to see the numbers in the sequence, that is in the order. And the number which is in between, that is not in the order. We have to cancel that. Now see, 18, 12, 19 and 10. What comes after 18? 12 doesn't come out after 18. So we have to cut that number. After 18 what comes? 19. Then 20. So this is the order. So what word is being formed? T-H-E. The. So like that in this whole we have to do like this. Here also. See. Now look here. What we have to see the order. We have to see the order of the numbers. Now the first number given over here is 45. But does 41 come after 45? No. But this is in order. After 41, 42 is only given. But 45 doesn't come before 41. So we have to cancel 45. Then 41, and after 41, 42, that is also correct. But after 42, 47 comes? No, that is wrong. We have to cancel that. After 42, 43 comes? Yes, so that is right order. But after 43, is it 46? Does 46 comes in order after 43? No, so cancel that also. Then 44 comes after 43. So that is right. See, 41, 42, 43 and 44. Which word is formed? F-A-I-R. Fair. So write that word over here. Okay, students, right now just understand this. Okay, I will also send the answers, but I am just explaining you right now. So see this. Now same. 9. After 9 which number comes? 10. Does 6 come after 9? No. So you have to strike it off. Does 10 come after 9? Yes. So 9, 10. And does 11 come after 10? Yes. So this order is also right. Then see this. 25 and then 27. But before 27, does 25 come? No. So we have to strike out 25. Then this is right. After 27, it will be 28. So we don't need to strike it off. This is right. 27 and then 28. But after 28, does 22 come? No. So we have to strike it off. Then 29. After 28, 29. And then 30. So this is also right. So like that, these two you have to do by yourself so that you can check that you have understood or not. And then after that you have to see which sentence is being formed. See, from your THE, the is formed. From your FAIR, fair is formed. So you have to write. From your HAS, has, you have to write that. Then COME, come, so you have to write that. These two you have to do by yourselves. And when I send the answers, you have to check it that whether you have done it correctly or not. Okay, so you have to complete this page. This whole page you have to complete by yourself. This is the homework you have already done. Before number, between number and after number. Now this is also like you have to see the number in the order. Then you have to strike out the number that is not in the order. These four I have explained. These two you do by yourself. And when I will send you the answers, you have to check it. Okay students, so complete this much, then we'll continue in the next class.